Bisaya ko kanak sa kay murag religion na yung Bisaya kay Spanish pa lang ko is nagtrabaho ko po sa mga kay dito ako sa Pinas. On behalf of good evening everyone. On behalf of my brothers and sisters, as an eldest sister of Celso, I thank you all sa inyong unending support, especially to my relatives, family, friends, neighbors, and those who in one way or another help us, support us in our times of sadness. Kami ni Celso, dili kaayo ko kahit balo, kay as magulang man ko. Kami si Junior murag, kay balo mo niya, kay we studied high school in the college of Maasin. We were together. Then, sa Cebu, sa Bebes, niya siya. Sa Polytechnic, niya nag-abroad po ni Murag. Kami ang kanunay magdungan. We are only 2 years gap. I was born in 1958, siya 1960. 1963, si Intoy, diriman sila. So more si Intoy, companionship with the elder sister na si Kura o si Kiyoke. Kaya pag-approach na ako, hindi ko kaayo kay 1 month lang man ang vacation. Pag ninyo ko na ako, stay na ko nire how many days kay 1 month lamang ang vacation at tupok ko sa Lipolo at kahuman. Very hectic ang schedule. So, may God will bless him and bring him to paradise. God bless us all. Thank you. No, apa? May nagpahabong share sa iyo. Oh. So ako may request ang mga immediate family members, mga person of knowledge.
Roses.
Used to be frightened, scared to try things we don't really understand why. After a moment, we start to cry. We're crazy. Now the answer is already given.
Kenapa deh, Ay? Kayak kau tahu.
Even if our hearts to raise, we're never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.